Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making coconut truffle bliss balls. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is the vegan Happy Way vanilla protein. I've got some desiccated coconut. I'm using rice malt syrup for the sweetener, however you could use maple syrup or coconut nectar. And I've got some cashew butter, however any other nut butters would also work well. So all I'm going to do is add all the ingredients into one bowl and hand mix it. You can either use your hands or a spoon. Mix it until it's a nice doughy consistency and then roll into little balls, set in the fridge, and then I'm just going to use a bit of extra coconut to roll them into at the end to decorate. However, you could use melted chocolate too to create like a bounty inspired bliss ball too.